India is accelerating investments in world-class infrastructure, with a strong emphasis on roads and logistics, to achieve its ambitious target of becoming a $5 trillion economy and the world's third largest, Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari said. Gadkari highlighted that his ministry is leading large-scale infrastructure projects, including expressways, economic corridors, digital tolling systems, and sustainable transport solutions that are designed to boost connectivity, cut travel time, and lower logistics costs. These initiatives will generate significant economic benefits, from job creation and tourism growth to the expansion of real estate and industrial clusters along national highways. One of the key achievements cited by the minister was the steady decline in logistics costs, which have fallen from about 16% of GDP to nearly 10%. The government now aims to reduce this further to 9% by December, a move expected to make Indian goods more competitive globally. Improved expressways, multimodal logistics hubs, digital toll systems, and the adoption of alternative fuels are central to meeting this goal. Major projects such as the upcoming Nagpur-Vijayawada Expressway, which will connect central India to eastern ports, are poised to make Vidarbh a key logistics hub. Similarly, the nearly completed Raipur-Vizag corridor is expected to cut travel time and reduce costs for exporters. Gadkari also underscored the growing strength of India's automobile sector, which has expanded from 12 lakh rupees crore to 22 lakh rupees crore in recent years, ranking third globally after the US and China. He expressed confidence that with rapid advances in biofuels, electric vehicles, and flex-fuel technologies, India could emerge as the world leader in automobile manufacturing within 5 years. The sector, employing nearly 40 million people, is also among the top contributors to GST revenue and exports. Framing infrastructure and industrial growth as interconnected drivers of economic progress, Gadkari said these efforts will not only reduce costs and improve efficiency but also pave the way for sustainable mobility, helping power India's journey toward its $5 trillion economy aspiration.